Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create new Instagram 5120 by 1080 trending size video editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to open up your CapCut application. And here I have already opened my CapCut application on my PC. And then I'm going to add my video to the CapCut timeline. And then I'm going to change the ratio here. You can choose ratio and then you can select custom. And then we're going to add 5120 by 1080 ratio. And then here for the frame rate, you can choose 25 FPS. And then you can click on save. Alright, and then you can zoom in your video like this. And then you can adjust the part that you want to display. Okay, I'm going to make it like this. Alright, and I'm going to play it guys. Again, this is the result. That's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to create new Instagram 5120 by 1080 trending size video editing using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!